Time going through lab weekend, and it was just as impactful as the first time. So when I left the first time, I knew that it was going to change my career forever, and it essentially has and will continue to do that and change just the trajectory of my career as a whole.
You know, a lot of times you see these Instagram videos, all these different things, and you wonder if that's how it actually is in real life. And honestly, quite frankly, it is. So I'm really happy with what I've been able to learn.
This weekend was great. I learned a ton. I have a new foundational knowledge. I feel like it's awesome. I'm really excited to get back to the clinic and have a base evaluation and just thought process to make everything easier. Everything was so jumbled and scrambled before, and it's hard to kind of think through, oh, this person has shoulder pain and knee pain. What do I do? Do I massage the shoulder and then the knee? I don't know. This makes it so much more simple to work through a process and get good results.
Big difference in providing high quality care in an efficient time. So for all aspiring students, PT students, or business owner, this is a must. This is a game changer. Looking forward for scalability of this system across all the states.